In this video, we're going to look at the price movement of Bitcoin because yes, we have reached a new all-time high exactly at the level of 69,990. But ultimately, guys, on some exchanges, we already reached the $70,000 mark. But remember what I told you in yesterday's video, emergency 70,000 confirmed, and exactly that happened. But congratulations, if you've been watching this channel exactly from the bottom of Bitcoin, you're in some major profits, and all of the coins that we've been talking about are in some major profits, guys. So if you're still watching this video without being subscribed, smash up the like button and subscribe, and let's directly go over to the charts of Bitcoin, because yes, on the weekly chart we can perfectly see that we broke the previous all-time high, which was exactly at the levels of $69,300, and we broke this level towards the upside. But now the question is, what are the expectations? What can we expect after this massive pump towards the upside? We're going to go on the lower time frames, but first of all, on the daily chart, what would be a healthy retracement after this massive pump towards the upside, exactly from the previous range low all the way down here, exactly all the way up to this major top? We could expect the dump all the way back down to the 38.2, which happened exactly here, or even to the 61.8, and this would still be extremely bullish for Bitcoin, because ultimately we would be forming a range and Bitcoin would still be forming a higher low, which ultimately is extremely bullish. So let's go down on the even lower time frames on the 4-hour chart to find out what we could expect in the immediate short term. And yes, guys, on the 4-hour chart we can perfectly see that Bitcoin was trading within this range exactly here. And as I told you in the previous video and also in my post in my free Telegram group, if we're going to break this range towards the upside, then we could expect this fast move towards the upside. And yes, my ultimate price target for Bitcoin would be the $75,000 range, which we could reach in the immediate short term, because yes, guys, the previous all-time high was exactly here, round about these levels, and we broke this level towards the upside. So ultimately, Bitcoin is in price discovery mode. And yes, this means that Bitcoin is trading in uncharted territory, and we could expect fast moves towards the upside and even a $10,000 candle. But ultimately, guys, if you want to trade all of these moves, go down in the video description below and sign up to Bybit, where you can trade all of these moves, and we open a trade in my signal group exactly here. After this massive pump towards the upside, we were in some major profits, up to 150%, and our stop loss was exactly in profits, because yes, guys, ultimately if you're opening a trade exactly here and you're in some major profit, you should take your stop loss into your profits, because ultimately you don't want to turn a winning trade into a losing one. And we opened the trade exactly here, and we are already in some major profits, at the moment 116%. And yes, this is just a small position. I'm going to scale in as soon as we're going to break these major levels towards the upside. I'm going to add a little bit more to these positions to get the entry price exactly here. So ultimately, this is extremely bullish for Bitcoin. And yes, a lot of people are selling exactly here at the highs of Bitcoin, but you shouldn't sell all of your cryptocurrencies or even your Bitcoin, because ultimately, show me a new all-time high and I show you exactly where to buy, because we're going to be in price discovery mode, and that we could expect this fast move towards the upside. Because yes, guys, this is only the beginning of a major bull market, but ultimately if we're going to see a new all-time high for Bitcoin, a lot of people are going to sell exactly here, and this causes the price of Bitcoin to dump in the immediate short term. And also a lot of market makers are hunting all of the stop losses towards the upside and also towards the downside. A lot of liquidations were caused exactly here, where a lot of people are shorting the markets, but the price movement keeps on going up. Or a lot of people exactly here said that we're going to go even lower and that Bitcoin could up all the way down to the $60,000, and they opened a short exactly here, and now the market turns around to liquidate all of these short positions. But ultimately, guys, we're going to stay in this long position, and we're going to scale in even more, because ultimately, guys, I could expect that Bitcoin is going to go even higher. And if you always want to stay up to date, guys, make sure to be in my free Telegram group, where I always keep you up to date. And if you want to trade all of these moves, guys, go down in the video description below and sign up to all of these exchanges, where you receive a major deposit bonus. You can sign up to Bybit, FOREX, or even Drift, which is on the Solana network. You can trade all of these cryptocurrencies on the spot market, or even with a leverage on a decentralized platform on Drift. Or you can trade on MEXC, where you receive a major deposit bonus and you don't need any KYC. So ultimately, guys, this is the beginning of a major bull run, and you're still at the beginning, because show me a high and I show you exactly where to buy, because this is going to be a major push towards the upside, exactly from these levels to a new all-time high round about the 250 $250,000 US dollar level. This is going to be my ultimate prediction. This is going to be a major pump towards the upside, all the way from the current price movement, all the way to my price target, or let's be a little bit conservative, all the way up to the 200,000 US dollar level. This would be still a pump of 190%. But if you want to make some crazy gains, guys, I will keep you up to date which altcoin you should hold in your portfolio, because these were all of the coins that we've been talking about on this channel. And yes, guys, I told you to buy Solana exactly at the levels of $16. But if you would have bought all of these coins just a month ago, you would have seen some major profits in AR up to 423%, Render 152%, Filecoin 115, and Bonk 226. So ultimately, guys, smash up the like button and subscribe, sign up to these exchanges so that you can make some awesome profits on all of these trades. And if you want to trade all of my trades, guys, go down in the video description below where you'll find a link how to join my VIP Signal group. And yes, guys, ultimately we're going to see a major pump towards the upside, and I even do believe that we're going to break the 70,000 US dollar today. So if you want to stay up to date, join my free Telegram group. But guys, most importantly, be for crypto, smash up the like button and subscribe, and we see each other in the next video.